Let's dive into it. Now, before we start, let me set an objective as to why all of us have gathered here, right? And what will be the takeaway for us today? Uh, there's a very famous author and a writer. I personally follow him because he writes very well on things related to business. He says that there is no shortage of remarkable ideas. What is missing is the will to execute them. So we are here to help you not just with a remarkable idea, but also with a solution. If you have the will, we can definitely help you execute them. Now, all of us gathered here today are sharing something in common. We're sharing the domain which is common to all of us, that is the field of education or development. That's how all of us are connected together. Also, all of us are also sharing the same target audience. Now, here target audience essentially means that who are we addressing through our product and service, right? Now, here we are trying to achieve as to how through our solution we will be able to help you reach out to more target audience, extend more services to your target audience, at the same time extend more services, and at the end resulting into a higher revenue for ourselves. That's what we're here for. Now, without further ado, let's dive into our webinar for today. Before we step into any new market, or before we step into any new vertical or a business, we first need to understand, is there a market for it? Forget about is there a market for it. We need to understand, is there an evolved market so that it can help me accelerate what I'm doing. So currently in India, right now we have participants who has joined us from all over the world. We have participants coming in from different countries. But here I'm just giving you an instance of what is the statistics like in India. We have more than 350 million people in the population range who are in the age group of 15 to 35. This essentially means that these are the people who are looking for career guidance as a service. Now, why 15 to 35? Earlier, we had people in the age group of 15 to 18. They were typically your people in higher secondary or your 11th, 12th, 8th, 9th, 10th. These were the students whom we were catering to. In last 3 to 4 years, we have seen a surge. We have seen an increase in the demand of young graduates, undergraduates, postgraduates, young working professionals, senior working professionals with 10 to 15 years of experience who have actually raised a demand for looking for a service in the field of career counseling, because they want to know what best can I do with what I have studied, or given the industry that I am in, how do I upskill myself? And if it's a senior working professional, he or she would want to know, hey, I've been into this industry for so long. What's next for me? How can you help me switch my industry? And I'm very sure that we've come across these instances in our personal experience as well. Now, given the large population that we have who are ready to be catered to, we also need to understand, for such a demand, do we have that supply? There was an article which was released. It was a research rather, which was released, which stated that how many career counselors do we need to be able to cater to the current population of youth we have in the age group of 15 to 35. So we had some shocking results that stated that we need more than 100, we need 1.4 to 1.5 million career counselors. This is again, I'm talking about India as a statistics, who will be able to balance the ratio between the number of students seeking for career counseling versus the number of career counselors available. Now, let's take a step forward now, considering all of us are companies here, all of us are enterprises here who are into the domain of education. We need to look at how many companies are available right now who are implementing or who are rapidly targeting career counseling at a large scale. Now, that if we have to understand, we have less than 15 companies currently who are administering or who are catering to large scale projects, who are looking at addressing to this particular population at a large scale level. Here, I'm not talking about private practitioners. Here, I'm not talking about small to mid-sized companies. We're talking about companies who are in a position to do large scale work. For us to understand, since we spoke about the number of resources that are required, one must be thinking that, okay, one needs to be a psychologist as well. Being a psychologist myself, let me bust this myth for all of us present here. A career counselor need or need not be a psychologist as well. Career counseling is one branch in the field of psychology where branch of psychology where you need not necessarily be a psychologist too. Yes, coming from a psychology background definitely helps you understand, get a better approach and learn faster. But that no way substitutes or compromises the quality which can be developed, which can be attained with right training and right supervision. These are the two key ingredients to becoming a career counselor, where you are rightly professionally trained and you are well supervised. Also, one of the essential key ingredient which cannot be neglected is your quality of becoming a good practitioner comes from your experience as well. Not necessarily a person who is psychologist, well experienced to be able to serve good quality, which a career counselor who is well trained, well experienced might be able to deliver that. Now, let's say we have a lot of, we have this vast population who is ready to be catered for career counseling. We need to build up more resources so that we're able to cater to this large, demand in the population. Let's look at what is the market online available right now. As of now, if you see the audiences that we have online, every month there is a search for more than 5 lakh, by more than 5 lakh people for career counseling on Google itself, who are searching for career counseling as a service, and these people are searching for this particular service on Google. We actually took a deep dive into understanding the online market for career counseling, where I'll show you a few statistics and I'll share that with you. Halima, next slide, please. Now, I have taken the source from Google Keyword Planner here, where if you look at the keyword for career itself, it has more than 100K to 1 million searches that is happening on Google, where people are looking for services related to career. All right. Now, if you look at the keywords, the keyword ideas that are available, we have more than 5,300 plus related keywords which are searched, which are related to career counseling. Now, if you look at other keywords, career counseling, career guidance, psychometric test, courses after 12th, courses after 10th, they have around 10K to 100K search, which is again happening on an average monthly basis. These are again happening from the users. If I give you an understanding, this particular search has actually increased multifolds from the past years. That means the search for online services or the search online for these services has been increasing year on year. Okay. Are you able to see the next slide now? Okay. Now, given this pandemic period, given this COVID period, there was one very big boost that was given to the education domain. Now, before I get into the boost that was recently announced, let's go back a few years where government had announced career counseling to be mandatory for CBSE. That was the time where we saw a tremendous surge, awareness, and people opting for the services of career counseling, because that is something that was required, that was made mandatory. So people started becoming aware about career counseling, that there are career counseling counselors available and there are career counseling services available. We personally as a company saw a surge in the number of students opting the services, number of counselors administering assessments for career counseling, and we also saw a number of companies and counselors who wanted to get on board and wanted to start or extend career counseling as a service. After our boost from the government, we saw a pandemic that unfortunately struck the entire world, and large industries, large brands, large size services were impacted, and we have been a personal witness to it. But career counseling as an industry, fortunately, was not impacted due to COVID-19. In fact, the demand for career counseling by students and parents was seen to be increased by 2x. We saw an increase by 2 times in search. There was a search, there was a demand for career counseling. Now, after that, during pandemic, as I told you, there was a very major boost by the government who announced the national education policy in the year 2020. Now, what happened? This not just gave a boost, but it has a mass level impact on the career counseling as an industry, and also on the students and the parents in the schools. Now, earlier career counseling was done for 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th standard students. Now, because of national education policy, you will have your students, parents and schools reaching out to you for giving them services right from 5th or 6th grade onwards. So imagine your target audience who you were to cater at just 10th standard. Now you can actually multiply it into 5 times, because now you will have to cater to students starting right from 5th or 6th standard. Another major impact of national education policy came in, where now companies, enterprises, edtechs will be able to cater to their next billion customers. Who are these next billion customers? What do we mean by next billion customers? These are essentially going to be your first time internet users who will be coming online because of the revolution that will be coming into the education domain. So your first time users will be not just from tier 1 cities where the impact is already seen, but it will also be in tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 and rural areas as well. So your next billion customers are already ready and the demand is already created. Now it's time for us to go and cater to that demand. This will also give you a very big impetus and a boost for conducting and bagging large size projects, because now NGOs, CSR, state level projects, district level projects that happens for tier 2 industries or for tier 3 cities or tier 3 schools or rural villages, those are nothing but large size projects that will have the demand and the volume of catering to thousands of students at a time for career counseling. I'll move to the next slide. Okay. Now, given the understanding that yes, there is a lot of scope available, opportunity available, you can definitely develop more resources, but is that enough? Right now, we need to understand that if I have to scale, you need to be backed with very, not just technology, but a robust technology that does not fail you, right? Technology is available in different forms, but you need to find out whether this technology is for me, whether this technology is robust, whether this technology will actually help me scale. Let's again go back a decade back. Let's go a decade back where career counseling earlier was done in a traditional method. When I say traditional method, it means paper pencil method. And right now career counseling is happening using the technology based method. What happened earlier with the paper pencil method is there was a lot of time required to not just administer, but also to evaluate, do manual research, using the manuals to do manual scoring, and also prepare handmade reports where you had to do a lot of research across a lot of careers to be able to come up with the right career choices for your student. If I have to put all of this time, resources, money required to be able to do career counseling, it would take an average of 3 to 5 days to be able to complete one cycle for one student. Now, when we have technology-based method, we are able to cater to, on an average, 4 to 5 students within a day. What have we eliminated with technology? We have definitely not eliminated the role of a counselor. What we have eliminated is administering assessment, which is now happening with the help of technology. So that's automated. The scoring is automated. The research is done, which is automated. And we have the report, which is generated, that is automated. And of course, the scoring that is happening right now, even that is automated. Automation does not mean we are compromising on quality. Automation only means that we are helping you increase accuracy. We are also helping you become more cost effective. Given the number of solutions that are available, a technology based method is not just more effective and faster, but it is far more accurate and far more cost effective also. Another myth hovering around the field of career counseling is technology expensive? To which the answer is a confident no. The traditional method is actually far more expensive and far more time consuming. The technology based method is clearly not. Now, since we're talking about technology, obviously the role of internet has actually contributed in a lot of ways. The revolution has actually become the solution for us. The revolution in terms of the number of users which are now coming online, the number of users which are now educated about internet, about the online services that are available, and the reach of internet to the masses which is available now that was not available 10 years back. Right now we have recharges for internet that are so freely available, and we have a dearth of bandwidth and speed that is available to us, which was not available earlier. Now, also with the help of technology, we have seen a very big upside in the COVID period itself. People who were online were able to sustain. Businesses that were not online, we have been a personal witness to it, that they were not able to sustain. In fact, they were struggling to sustain, they were struggling to survive. We as a company, we as an industry in the field of career counseling, who is empowering counselors with the help of technology, giving support of technology to career counselors, we were not just surviving, we were actually thriving despite COVID, because our entire solution is available and backed with internet and with technology. So it helps you become digital in a very easy way. Another very big advantage of having technology is how can you scale? Now we have a lot of these companies. As I told you earlier in the earlier slide, we have less than 15 companies who are right now catering to career counseling in different geographies. Why are they running there? Because we don't have any local players available there, and they have two challenges. They don't have the technology to handle the bandwidth, nor do they have the resources to handle that large size project. Now, with the help of technology, with the help of building an army for yourself so that you're able to scale swiftly, you will be able to eliminate geographical boundaries. You need not be physically present there to execute projects. Technology will actually help you reach out to different geographies, not just nationally, but also internationally. Your reach for different age groups, your reach for different size of projects, your reach for career counseling, reaching out to society, how you'll be able to give back to the society at the same time making this independent revenue generating vertical for you. Technology again will help you not just increase your reach, it will also help you become more sustainable, and it will also help you become more scalable. I'll move to the next slide. Now, let's come to the crux. Let's come to the solution. We spoke about ideas. We spoke about remarkable ideas. Now let's come to whether do we have a remarkable solution to cater to that idea. A white label setup, was it possible in 2 weeks? Now, let's say you have the bandwidth, you have the resources, you're ready to take up technology, you're ready to actually go out there and cater to this large size of demand that is waiting for you. But how will you be able to cater them, and how fast will you be able to cater them? We have a solution for you which will help you go up and running in just 2 weeks. Before I help you understand what is a white label career counseling setup, let's understand what is not white label. There are a lot of definitions, meanings, and products which are sold out in the market by our contemporaries, by other competitors, by other markets, which are using the term white label very interchangeably. Let's try to understand a co-branded platform is actually not a white label platform. A co-branded platform is basically where the company's name and your service name is joined together. If they're giving you an access to their portal, that does not make it a white label. if they're giving you an iframe solution so that the entire technology runs on your domain name, but the frame is different, that is again not a white label platform. People have very different understanding and meaning. One small metric, if I have to give you whether to gauge whether this is a white label platform or not, your own team members will not be able to evaluate. If you have a pure white label solution, your own team members will not be able to pinpoint where this solution has come from, where this technology has come from. That is a mark of your white label platform, a white label solution. It's a very simple difference between a Ray-Ban sunglasses and a Ray-Ban original sunglasses. That's the difference that we see here. Now, since we have understood what is white label, a white label platform is set up through IP pointings through which the entire platform actually runs and sits on your domain name. We will delve into it more in a little while. But before that, let's understand what solutions are available. We have a co-branded solution that is available, and we have a white label solution that is available. A co-branded solution runs for companies where they are wanting to use EduMilestone's brand to their advantage. That's where our name is also introduced into the platform. Let's look at white label. Who will opt for white label, or what is white label versus a co-branding? The name of EduMilestones on the entire platform, the name of the company or the domain on the entire platform, including your URL, including the logos, branding, has to be purely of your company only, and it will not be any other company or EduMilestones in this case. If there are these two solutions available, how do you decide which solution is more appropriate for you? A white label solution here is generally opted by enterprises who are into the education domain. It is opted by enterprises who are already targeting and who are already catering to large size audiences in terms of students, in terms of schools, in terms of young professionals. They are delivering to colleges, universities. They already have access to market. They already have access to their target audience, client base, but they don't have access to technology and resources to be able to extend or establish a career counseling vertical so that they are able to offer more services to their target audience. And this, they are able to do that on completely their own brand name, their own portal name, or their own domain name. So a white label is opted by enterprises who already has access to large size client base already, and who would want to have their own stable, robust platform, which is outsourced, but yet it is completely running on their own name. So that is one advantage and why people opt for a white label solution. Now, when it comes to a white label setup, one might wonder that white label might be a little more expensive, but let me tell you, a white label solution actually helps you save 10 times, not just in terms of time or resources, but also in terms of finances, also in terms of money. If you have to go and build a portal for yourself so that it completely runs on your brand name, vis-a-vis getting it outsourced, the difference in the amount is going to be a fraction of it. You will be actually spending a fraction of the total amount that you would have otherwise spent on building your own solution in-house. If you're outsourcing it and making it completely white label, you're actually spending a fraction of it, and you're saving 10 times. At the same time, your profitability also increases by multifolds. Next slide, please. Now, let's look at some contemporaries of yours who have actually opted for white label. Let's try and understand how did they benefit from a white label solution. We got to know that there is a market for it, there is a demand for it, there is a solution available for it. But I'm sure you're also wondering who has actually implemented it, what kind of benefit that they have got from it. Let me share you a few best practices that has been embraced by few of our enterprise clients. I am in no position to reveal any of our white label clients' name, again because of anonymity, purposes and the confidentiality that we retain for all of our white label clients, but I can definitely tell you the good work that they've been doing so that it might help you understand a little more better. We have an abroad study consultation company who is already catering to large size audiences for study abroad. They're already helping graduates after their 12th standard and postgraduates to be able to study abroad outside their country. It could be in it could be companies from India, it could be companies outside, but they're sending students abroad. Now, this particular company wanted a white label solution to be able to cater to students who are right now studying, who are right now wanting to understand what is best, what is next best for them. They wanted a solution to client base because students were right now coming to them when they had cleared their 12th or when they were in their 11th, but they wanted to increase and expand their client base by reaching out to them when they were just evaluating that what next can I do. Once I've helped you evaluate what next you can do, I can also help you understand, hey, where you can actually pursue that particular career that you think, and we have helped you realize what is best for you. Now, through this, they were able to achieve 3 times more client base in just about 6 months' time, because now they had expanded their client base. At the same time, they had extended their services also. So, right, if they were catering to around, let's say an example of 20,000 students a year, now they're easily catering to around 50 to 60,000 students in a year's time. Because again, as I told you, career counseling not just help them extend their client base and extend their services, but it also helped them establish an independent revenue generating model for them, because students were just coming to them for career counseling and they were able to nurture them, and they were also able to extend more services of theirs, which was definitely related to their career or education. We have another company who was a young edtech who also wanted to introduce career counseling as one of the services. They wanted a solution which is completely white label, because they had a domain and a portal which was already reaching out to lakhs of students, and they had a traffic of a lakh of students hitting them for their other services. Now they wanted to actually, because they already have the same client base coming in, they wanted to introduce more and more services which will be relevant for that target audience. And that's when they approached us, and they wanted to implement a white label solution, a career counseling solution for their own portal. And they were actually able to boost their growth by 100%. So now they were able to expand rapidly their client base, where they had more searches, more people coming in for career counseling also, and their existing target audience was also able to opt for other services, which was absolutely necessary for them. And because the domain credibility, portal credibility, service credibility was already established, they were able to just blindly opt for the career counseling as a service, and they were more than happy to take one more service from the same portal. We have another company who has been into the domain of training. They were generally training graduates, young graduates, and people who are wanting to transform from a campus to a corporate life. Now, since they were already helping students become ready for the world of work, they were helping them ready to understand how they need to be ready for their careers. They also wanted to add career coaching so that these students are not just ready for the world of work, but they are also empowered and enabled to choose the right profile and right industry for them. That gave a lot of quality to the service that they were already offering. Now they're helping students prepare for the right kind of industry, for the right kind of profile, and they were already into training. So they added career coaching as one more vertical, and the universities and the colleges that they were able to cater to, they were able to bundle a much higher quality service, which immediately and directly reflected to 60% more profit for them, because now their service was so strong. They were able to bag in more colleges, more universities. They were able to give successful placements with a good ratio in terms of corporates as well, and that absolutely added to their profit margin as well. We have many such more success stories from various different industries, because a white label solution, a career counseling solution, can be opted by people from education domain, HR domain, training domain, coaching domain, management domain. We have career counselors who were using other methodology like DMIT. They have now completely migrated to psychometric as a solution, because pandemic were actually hit counselors who were using DMIT, a biometric approach. Ours is a completely psychometric approach, which is online, which is digital. We have a lot of existing career counselors who've taken a white label solution, a lot of admission consultants. We come across a lot of academic counselors, admission counselors also, who are opting for white label as a solution, because they are also wanting to expand and cater, because now parents are coming and asking them that, good that you are helping us with admissions, but before we spend our money into submitting fees for a kid, we want to know whether this is actually the right field for them or not. Is this the right career path for them? The similar scenario was also observed by those who were in the study abroad segment. So either you're doing domestic or study abroad. Parents are now more aware and they are more demanding for a career counseling service before they take an academic or admission based services. So you can very well extend that service, a quality service, to your audiences again. Now, do you want to know what was common amongst all of these companies that are into this particular domain of career counseling or wanting to get into the domain of career counseling? Next slide, please, Halima. So one thing that was binding all of these companies who were catering to the domain of career counseling, domain of education, is they were all anonymously powered by EduMilestones. The entire technology, the entire support in terms of training, the entire support in terms of business training, the entire support in terms of having a quality resource pool who will be able to execute your projects well, they were all supported, and the solution was provided by EduMilestones. Now, talking about solution that is available at EduMilestones, I will hand over the segment to our co-founder and the product head, Mr. Ankit Agarwal, who will be able to help you understand the solutions that were given to these companies. What is that solution actually? What does that solution actually look like? How does it perform when it is put in action? So I will hand over to my co-speaker, Mr. Ankit Agarwal, who will help you understand the new generation white label technology, which is available for career counseling, especially for enterprises. Thank you, everyone. Over to Ankit.
Thank you, Fatima. Good evening, everyone. I am Ankit Agarwal. I am the co-founder of EduMilestones and product director. So in this section of the webinar, I am going to cover the platform demo, how this platform looks like, and what are the various solutions we have for different stakeholders. Now, before coming on the demo, am I audible, Fatima? Am I audible?
Yes, Ankit.
Okay. So before coming to the demo, let me give you the bigger picture. So if you look at career counseling as an industry, majorly or broadly, you will find 3 to 4 stakeholders. Now, first stakeholder will be the student or the parents who need the career counseling, right? Second stakeholder will be the career counselor or the mentor who are going to provide the career counseling. Third stakeholder may be your schools, colleges, NGOs, or multiple stakeholders, okay, who facilitate these career counseling services. And fourth stakeholder will be your referrals who are not providing the career counseling, but those who are providing the referral, students. So in this platform, we have bundled all these stakeholders under the one platform so that everyone will get the right solution. So in last 10 years, this platform is evolved. And as of now, this is one of the finest platform what we have. And second thing is, this is the only platform that is dedicated only to the career counselors. We are not providing any career counseling directly to the students. This is only routed through career counselors or through career counseling enterprises, so that no conflict will come. Now today I'm going to give you the demo of white label platform, how it looks like. Let me share my screen.
It's visible, Ankit.
It's visible. Okay. As I told you, there are multiple stakeholders. So first I'm going to start with student. What are the solutions that student is going to get? Now, if you look at this URL, so every career counselor will receive a dedicated web page, okay, where this entire platform will be integrated. All this assessment will be integrated. Now, for white label solution, we do come across two type of clients. One, those who are not having any technology setup. They say, I am not having any technology, like a technology or development team. We don't need any technology team from your side, because this entire white labeling end-to-end product will be given from our side. We are not expecting anything from your side. Only thing is one pointing you need to do, so that this entire platform will become a white label. Second are those companies who say, hey, we already have one website, we already have some structure at place. Can we integrate this platform with our platform? Yes, very much. We have all the possible APIs, very simple APIs available. Using that, you can also integrate this entire platform with your own platform, so that dual logins will not come. User will come to your platform, will do the login, and straight away it will take place. So this platform will support to both type of enterprises. One, those who are not having any technology team, we don't need. Complete end-to-end setup will be given. And those who already have something and want to integrate, we can take care of the integration also. Entire platform is a mobile responsive, tab responsive. We don't need to worry for the responsiveness. Entire platform will be running on the cloud, and speed will be very high. So with very low internet connectivity also, platform performance will not be impacted. So every career counselor will receive a page. Say for example, this is the demo page we have created for today's platform, so that you can understand how a white label looks like. So in this way, demoplatform.educareerlab.com. Say there is a company called EduCareerLab. There is no such company. This is a park domain. We have linked it for demo purpose. So in a similar way, whatever name you want this page to be published, your own name, this web page will be created for the student. This is a web page. Now in this web page, multiple assessments we do have. So we have the assessment starting from the second class up to the professionals, like 7th to 7th class, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, graduates and professionals, engineers. So we have more than 20 types of assessments we do have, that all the assessments will be integrated with your platform. So if any student is looking for career counseling, he just need to click on these students, and he need to create one account. Say I'll write my name. I'm just writing one dummy name. So I'm looking, say, for 11th and 12th. Next. Then 11th and 12th, again, we do have the further bifurcation. So 11th and 12th, commerce, PCMB, PCM, bio, arts. Why we have done this further bifurcation? Think about if any student is coming from, say, arts group, we cannot suggest to him the engineering, right? So system will find out which group this student belongs to, and automatically recommendations will be given to the student. And after that, he'll just write his email ID. I am doing it off. His phone number, so that all these details will be captured in your platform. Now, once the account is created, straight away assessment will be started. Now here you can see again throughout the platform is showing your logos, your URLs. So entire platform is white labeled. This entire assessment will be having two segments. First segment will be the psychometric segment, and second segment will be the aptitude segment. We call it as a 5 or 6 dimensional assessment, where we evaluate the interest areas, personality, motivators, learning style, EQ, emotional quotient, aptitude of the student, and student need to give the answer. So he can just read it and he can just start giving the answers. Now this entire system is designed in such a way, think about student is giving the answers and say internet is down, or it can be any kind of technical issues. No need to worry. If next time student do re-login, it will start exactly from the same place where student ended last time. If I go back and just do some silly kind of a thing, start again, straight away you can see straight assessment is starting from the question number 11. So For psychometric, there is no timer. Student can take his own time. But once the psychometric is completed, then aptitude test will start, like numerical, logical, verbal, mechanical, verbal. That will be timer based. For every question, there will be timing. If a student is not giving answer within the specified time, that question will be skipped and next question will come. So in this way, a student can complete the entire assessment. Now here we have two flows. One flow, some of the counselors, they say ki, I want to keep the assessment open. If I am conducting some webinar, let all the students do the assessment. And once they do the assessment, let them make the payment. Those who are making the payment, we will activate only those reports. It is possible. So it means we are not charging for the assessment. We are charging only for the report activation. Second flow, there are some companies who say, no, I want to charge to the student upfront before starting the assessment. So that is a configuration setting. Both are possible. And in fact, we can integrate your own payment gateway also if you want, where student can make online payment. Otherwise, once I'm coming to your CRM, I'll show to you, we have given you access to you also, where you can also activate the student report. Now, in this way, a student can complete the entire assessment. Now, there are two types of student you will come across. One, those who will say, ki, ma'am, I'm not having any idea which career is suitable for me. You can go for the comprehensive assessment. There is one more assessment that you can see upside, that's called the suitability assessment. This suitability assessment ideally is used for the lead generation, or this is like so that you can generate enough amount of leads for you. I'll tell the use case. Now, the other type of candidates who will say, ki, Ankit, I have already decided I want to go for, say, engineering. Can you tell me, am I suitable for engineering or not? That's it. If I am not suitable, then I'll come to you. In that case, there's a suitability assessment also linked with you, where student can come and can search for any of the career. Say, for an example, I am searching for digital marketing, just giving one example, digital marketing, and start the test. So here, what will happen? Assessment will remain the same, but once the assessment is completed, only single pager report will be generated that will talk about, are you suitable for digital marketing or not? If you're not suitable, then from same panel, you can activate the comprehensive report. You don't need to do assessment once again. Assessment layer will be the same. So either student can do the comprehensive assessment or can do the suitability assessment. So both type of assessments are available in your platform. One, those who are completely confused, go for the comprehensive. Second, those who say, sir, as of now, I'm not looking for, just tell me, am I suitable or not? You can go for the suitability assessment, and showing the suitability assessment, you can convince them for the comprehensive report. So both are available over here. There's a lead generation form. Contact us. If anybody wanted to contact to you over here, he can just fill the details, and all these leads will be captured in your CRM and you will get email immediately. So this is the lead generation mechanism. In this web page, every single piece of this web page, say for example, if I come down below, there is something about your company, about your services, whatever you want to feature in your web page, everything you can do your own. Okay, so once I'm coming to your CRM, I'll show to you. So complete personalization of this web page is possible within this theme, that you yourself can do it off. We have given you one panel. From that editor, you can write about your company. If you don't like these colors, you can change these colors. If you don't like this image, you can change this image. If you want to change phone number, or if you want to integrate some chat option over here, you can integrate the chat option. All these things, functionalities, or multiple other functionalities are available in this page. We also have the student dashboard that I'll come after just some time. So there's a student dashboard where he can access all the colleges, exams, courses, and different kind of things that I'll come after some time. Now, along with this thing, this is for the student, where web page is there and the student dashboard is there. Apart from this, every counselor is going to receive, just 1 second, every counselor is going to receive a counselor's dashboard. I'll show you how that looks like. So here, you need to type your, again, this entire CRM also will be white labeled. So once I open your CRM, the first thing you can see immediately the leads. Now, what is this lead? You remember in your web page, I filled one inquiry form. So once I click on the my leads, immediately it will show Ankit from Bangalore has filled one lead, and you can define the status over here: pending, not interested, invalid, follow up, converted. If you want to follow up, you can click on the follow up. You can define the date also, which date, further date you want to follow up. You can write your comment, and system will keep on remind you whenever you are opening your system. Today you are having some appointments pending. If there's any lead that you are getting apart from our system, you can add lead also over here. So lead management system is again integrated in your platform, and you can see here total number of leads pending, follow-ups, how many leads are converted, and you can export this lead in your from your platform also in the Excel format. Going back, now here you can see there are the multiple boxes in your CRM. First, see the total profile. Now, as I told you, any number of students can come to your platform and do the assessment. So it says how many students, like 2 students came to my platform, like Ankit just came. If I click Ankit, can see the entire details, my name, email ID, phone number, and which assessment I have selected. It says how many students came and opted for the assessment, how many students have completed, how many students are doing as of now or left in between. Now here we have given you real-time window also. If a student is doing assessment from the remote location and you want to see on what page is a student is into as of now live, or what page is student and the assessment, you can see in the real time also. You can click on the incompleted. If you remember, Ankit left the assessment in between and you wanted to see on what question Ankit left, click on the report and click on the next. Straight away it will take you on the same page. You can see Ankit was on the 11th question when Ankit closed the entire system. So it will give you that transparency as well. Now, let me open Site-by-Site demo platform also because data is less here. Okay. Now, this is the main point. Now, below this, you can see the deactivate reports and online payments. Now, whenever a student complete any assessment, you will get the email notification, and there's something called deactivate report and access code. So once you click on the deactivate report, you can see David has completed the assessment, and once you click on the report, it will show you David has completed, but his report is blocked. Now to unlock the report, you need to punch the access code or student need to make the online payment. Say for example, you don't want the online payment or student has come to your office and you want to collect money directly and you want to activate, you can do so. How? You need to go, Fatima, is there any way we can hide this thing? Okay. So what you can do it, in your CRM, we will provide you the access code. You click on the access code. Now here, all your access codes will be here. You just need to copy the access code. You click on the deactivate report, and if you want to activate any of the report, you just punch the access code and submit. Automatically report will be activated. And once the report is activated, that code will be removed from your CRM so that again you cannot use that code. One code will be used to activate only one report. After that, here you can see reports active. All the reports active will be available here, whatever reports are activated. Now here, once I click on the report active, here I can see all these students' reports are available over here, and they are the access code that's used. Say for example, this is a candidate called Harshvardhan, and if you want to see this candidate report, simple, just click front of that report. Okay, he has done of arts. Next step, report with analysis. Now here we have two types of report. First, now here you can see for him, first recommendations has come. He can go for human service, education, public safety, and media and communication at a broader level. Say for example, business management, or you can say business management at the broader level. After that, under human service, there are a lot of career paths are possible. Say for example, sociology, clinical psychology, counseling psychology, anthropology, mentor, geology. System will also indicate under that cluster. Say for example, if it's coming management, under management, whether student will be suitable for operations, HR, finance, marketing, research. System will also highlight that career path. Counselor can select over here, come down below and generate the report. Now, once I generate the report, let report generate. Now here in the report, throughout the report, it will display your logos, your phone number, your email ID, your content. Now here report will talk about the personality of the student, how's the personality, his interest areas of the student, what's the interest areas lies. It will talk about the motivators, what are the motivators for the student. It will talk about the learning style of the student. It will talk about the EQ, emotional quotient of the student. It will talk about the aptitude, how's the numerical ability, logical, verbal, clerical ability, visualization, leadership, social, mechanical abilities. of the student, what are the industries are most suitable for him, under that which career path is most suitable for that candidate, under that which career path we have shortlisted, like counseling psychology. Now for counseling psychology, what is the work nature? Being a counseling psychologist, what will be the roles and responsibilities? To become a counseling psychologist, what are the courses I need to do at the graduation, post-graduation, certificate courses that I need to do? What is the fees, demand, salary level? So all this will come in the report itself. So it's around 32 pages report that's generated. Now, good part is here is we are giving the access of all the career paths. So sometimes what happen, parents say, ki, why not this, why not that? So here what we are doing we are disclosing you all the results. Say for example, they ask, so ki, ma'am, why not legal services? So here you cannot say to them, no, I don't know about legal services, I'm not having report. You can go to a panel, you can select the legal services, generate here. System will also, tell you what's the status. Now here you can see legal services is coming avoid. And when you click here and generate, you can still generate the report of legal services. Then report will substantiate why you should not go for the legal services. So it means we are disclosing you the results of all 180 plus career paths and 20 plus career options and 3000 plus occupations. So that if they are having some queries, why not this career path, why not that career path, you can generate an unlimited report, but we will consider only one. So we will not charge again. Say they say, ki, okay, what about law enforcement services? This time you can select the law enforcement services like law, and you can generate one report of this one, where what will happen, initial pages will remain the same, but complete execution plan will be changed. Now execution plan will come of the law, what are the work nature, what are the courses students should do to become a law enforcement or police side kind of a services. So in this way, multiple reports can be generated, and all the reports we have disclosed, or all the results we have disclosed to you over here. Or otherwise, if you just want to generate direct report, if you don't want to find out, or you don't want to give answers to them of different career path, then without selection, you can just click direct report, and straight away direct report also will be generated, where it will talk about all the good options only. This is the direct report. So in direct report, there's no execution plan. So after the counseling, once career path is concluded, you can go report with analysis, and you can generate execution plan also from the report. In this way, you can generate multiple reports. Now after report, there is one more option is given, that's called the summary. Now sometimes what happen after the counseling, counselor want to add their own remarks, their own analysis in the report. So add summary, whatever counselor want to write his own analysis, counselor can write. If counselor want to include in the report his analysis, whatever he is recommending, counselor can select show in report. One extra page will be added, or multiple extra pages will be added in the report with the counselor's recommendations. Now recommendations can be your analysis, or if you have the other services that you can write it over here and you can save it, that will include in the report. Or if analysis you want to keep it only for you, not as a part of the report, don't select this button and save. Then this will be limit only to you. This will not be added in the report. If you again click on the summary and click on the view all, then it will be shown what you have written on what date for that student, so that his file will be managed. You know his report, you know his summary. If you want to collect some documents of that student, you can collect the documents also of that student. Now here, there's another thing that is called student dashboard. Now once so student can access the student dashboard from the front end, and counselor can access the student dashboard from here, but both are same, both are synced. Now once you open the student dashboard, then immediately upside to you can see the report, and right side there's a chat option. If a student wanted to chat with the counselor, a student can click over here straight away. It will be connected with your WhatsApp. So your WhatsApp will, so here chat option we are using of your WhatsApp. So message will come to your WhatsApp, and you can then continue the chat option over the WhatsApp, because most of the counselors, they are comfortable over the WhatsApp. So here WhatsApp is integrated. Now here for any of the career paths, say for example, counseling psychology, what you have recommended, you want to see the colleges, just click on the recommendations. Right hand side, immediately it will show how many colleges are there, how many exams are there. So complete dashboard will be filled of the student dashboard. Now once I click on the colleges, now it will disclose me all the good colleges under this one. It will start from the top colleges to the least colleges, like Lady Shri Ram College, Christ College, Presidency College. So it will come all the colleges over here. along with the college, we are giving the prediction also, how much chances student is having to get into this college. That's called the predictor. What are the fees, how's the demand, how much preparation is required, what the duration is there. Now here, either student or counselor, what can be done is, you are finding here option add milestone. Student can shortlist the colleges for that thing, whatever colleges he want to go for, or he want to shortlist. Now here, say for example, I have shortlisted a couple of colleges from here. Now a student can also see the exams, and if I wanted to shortlist some of the exams, I can shortlist some of the exams also over here. Now exam shortlisting is again done. Now after this, okay. Now after this, you can find there's a one report called milestone report. Now once I click on the milestone report, whatever shortlisting I have done, that's documented as a part of a report. Now in this report, it will first talk about what is this career all about, what is the work nature, key skills required for the psychology. Analysis will come, what are the different ways I can become a psychologist, either BS in psychology or BA psychology, applied psychology, what are the different ways I can become, and whatever colleges I have shortlisted or exams I have shortlisted, that everything is documented in a single report. So in this way also, you can generate, our student can generate a multiple milestones report, so that everything is documented. He's having a career report with the execution plan. He is having the colleges list, exams list, everything will be available over here. Now there's something called the career library. Now career library is available here, as well as if I go to your web page, it is there in your web page also. Now what is this career library all about? Now this career library is having, this is open source. So if I open the platform, so here, say for example, student want to know about the fashion designing, just click on the fashion designing, entire information of the fashion designing. What is the fashion designing? What are the roles and responsibilities of fashion designing, work nature, salaries, videos of fashion designing, everything, and what are the ways I can become a fashion designer, what are the top courses for the graduation, post-graduation, exams for graduation, exams for post-graduation, everything will come. So this entire library again will be white labeled. So this entire library again will come with your logos, with your branding, so that front side, nobody will come to know this entire library is powered by EduMilestones. Say for example, if I go to your page also, this is a, so in your web page also, it's an open source career library we have given. If I click career library, any student can come to your website and can access your free library over here. Now here you can see across the library, your logos, your details are coming. Nowhere student will understand like this is powered by EduMilestones. So this is a library that is available in your platform. Now moving next to your platform. If you want the online payment gateway, we can integrate a payment gateway. So payment will come directly to you, and you'll be having flexibility to set up your own pricing. Access codes will be there. There's one more functionality we have given over there. That's a very good functionality where we have used high-level AI. See, sometimes what happens, apart from the report, there's some pre-counseling questionnaires. So we have included pre-counseling questionnaires also as a part of the assessment, and AI do a good job. What AI do, it scans his responses also, and AI also suggests, based on his responses, what are the career options most suitable for him. So what AI layer do, whatever responses student is giving, it checks in the real time what are the questions again he's responding. Whenever questions are coming related to medical, he's showing high immediately interest. Whenever it's coming business, he's showing the high interest. So they are having two, like pre-counseling questionnaires are again included, and report, psychometric report is again included to achieve very high level of accuracy in the counseling. There's upload download document. If you want to upload the documents, there's one more functionality. Sometimes it is useful if you're dealing with multiple schools and colleges and you want to maintain the folder. I'm sure in your system you are managing the folders. So here you can customize this entire dashboard. You can create the folder. See, I'm creating the folder, something folder like DPS school or any school. Immediately folder will be created. In this way, you can create a multiple folders. And if any file you want to move to a folder for the file management, like these 10 files belongs to this school, you can do so. You can select multiple files, click on the actions, move to the folders. From a drop down, you can select the folder name and you can press submit. So this file will not delete from here. This file will be copied in that folder. If I go in that folder, now I can see under that one file. If I click one file, I can see all the files over here. So this will help you for the file management as well. There is something called training videos. So we have a program that's a flagship program called CCA, where lot many training videos are available. Videos and the material is available. This is a global level material. Across the globe, material is available. If you do this thing, nothing is outside of this. Not only in India, across the globe, and that's updated every 3 months. So it's a very highly updated kind of a thing. As this is a community kind of a thing, we do have more than 2,000 counselors. It's like a sharing kind of a thing. If any counselor do good practices, they also contribute for the library. So it's like a career counselor library and video that's available for all the counselor. I had already shown you the leads, where all the leads are available and can be accessed, all the leads. Just 1 second, I need to do re-login. Okay, this is it. So once I go to the lead segment, all the leads will be available over here, whatever leads you are getting. Apart from this, if you are getting leads from different sources, anytime you can get the lead. There's one more thing that I'm going to come after this point. If you are having employees within your company and you don't want to give the access to all of them of all the leads, yes, you can create a multiple sub CRM that I'll come after this point, and you can assign the leads. Say for example, first 5 leads you want to transfer to one person, you can select over here, you can click forward, and here it will show you all your employees' names over here. You can select and you can submit. So what will happen in your employee CRM, they can see only those leads that's assigned to them, and in your CRM, you can see all the leads. Same functionality is there for the reports also. If you are having like employee and enterprise kind of a structure where you are having a multiple employees in your company and you don't want to show the entire reports to them, so what you can do, you can select the reports from here, whatever reports you want to transfer to a particular employee, and from here you can select for which employee you want to transfer or assign this report. You can select and submit. So what will happen, they can see only those reports that you have granted, and you can see all the reports. Apart from this, you can keep a track also how they are providing the career counseling, because you are having a sorting option also available. If you want to see how Shiju is doing, you can just select Shiju and it will be the entire data, everything will be sorted. It will show you how much Shiju has done. Now, these are the files. These are the 4 files that Shiju, my salesperson, is handling. If I wanted to how many Kanishk is doing, I'll just press the Kanishk. It will tell me how many files Kanishk is handling as of now. So that is useful for that part. Moving next, that is called the update design. Now, update design, like we have given you the complete control. If you want to change your email ID, phone number, you can change it off. As I have shown in the starting, you don't need to have your own website, those who are not having the technical capabilities, and we are going to give them the default page. If you want to change the content in that web page, you can do so. You can click on the page content. Now in the page content, if you want to change the content, say about your company, about you, about services, headings, content, you can change all this content over here. All this content will be changed in the front end. Or if you want to change the logo and the theme of the page, you can change your logo, everything. Or if you don't like the banner, then you can change all the banners, images you can change, and the look and feel of your entire web page will be changed. Or we have more than 40 types of assessment actually, but 20 we use majorly. So here, if you want to use some other assessments, say for example, EQ as a standalone, interest as a standalone, different assessments. So here's a list of all the assessments, or say we have the assessments in 7 languages, or if you want to use some different language, so you yourself also can do, you can just select like Marathi, or you can just select the Hindi, or you can select, so automatically that assessments will start reflecting in your web page. So by default, we will select the major assessments, but anytime you can add on more assessments from your side. All the pages are SEO compiled. You don't need to spend money separately. You can write Facebook link, LinkedIn link. If you have the Skype ID, title, description, location, keywords, favicon. So your page, complete SEO, you can manage it off. That everything is possible. Very good thing, report design. If you don't like the design of our report and you want to make the front page design something different design, yes, you can do so. You can upload the image, and if for every report, if you want to change the design, yes, for every report also, cover page you can change it off. So that you can do from here. For every report, cover page you can change based on your look and feel. We kept it white intentionally. if you want to use some color or you want some image, and for like 9th 10th you want a different cover page, 11th 12th you want a different cover page, graduates you want a different cover page, you are free enough. Or if you want to change some color theme, you can change the color theme from here, so that entire customization is possible that you can do from your side. There are so many other configuration settings also that's available in the platform. Now there is one very good functionality that's available, that's called the sub CRM. Now this sub CRM is mostly used for your employees. Now say for example, you are having some team members, 3-4 team members, and you want to create, as I told you, this is the third stakeholder. First stakeholder is the student that I had shown you, second stakeholder is the counselor, third stakeholder is your employee. So if to the employee you want to create some CRM so that they can access only their granted reports and their granted leads. So from here you can create their CRM, and here automatically system will create their CRM link, copy link address, and that can be opened. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Fatima? Okay.
Yes.
So that open over here. I'll not go detailed functionalities of that one, but the concept is they can access only their reports, whatever reports are assigned to them and whatever leads are assigned to them. So in that way, they'll be having completely separate dashboard. So in your master CRM, you have a control of all the leads, all the database, but they can access only their leads, their database. So that entire control will be there with them. In this way, multiple sub CRMs can be created. There are a lot many other functionalities also, but I'll just come last functionality in the platform. Other thing is, if you want to create, say for example, if you want to create down the line, you want like, Ankit, I want to create I am white label, that's fine, but can I create my co-branded channels? Like my company name is say abc.com, and under me, I want to create my own network, say ankit.abc.com, nitin.abc.com, to create my own distribution channel, my own franchises or my own distribution channel, like many of the bigger companies they do, like we are doing. In the same way, you want to create some distribution network that will come with your brand name. Yes, that is very much possible, and that's available in your platform. So that if you want to create, you can create multiple, like let me open. So in your panel, there's an option called create associates. Once you create the associates, you can create associate, you can click add new, that associate name, his login, his password. So like you are having the login and password, same he'll be having, whatever controls you have, he'll be having. So in this way, multiple with your co-branding, you can create the associates, where what will happen, all these, your network will be integrated with your CRM, where you can see how they are doing, but they can't see yours. So in this way, you can create, and after that, what you can do, if you want to transfer them some access code, they will take from you. You can just click over here. Say for example, there's this channel and his access codes are consumed and you want to transfer 50 quantity, you can click 50 and you can press submit. So what will happen, 50 codes will be reduced from your side and 50 codes will be granted to them. And in this way, business, you cannot limit only for you. You can create your huge network. Like you can say, I'm having 1,000 counselors network in different portions of India. We have many enterprises case who have 1,500. They are very big names that I cannot disclose, but that you hear on day-to-day basis. Until now, probably you don't know that technology is powered by us. They are very big names. I cannot name them. But backend technology is powered by us. What they have done, they are creating many co-branded partners with their names. So ultimately, they are using our panel where like ankit.abc.com, nitin.abc.com or some company.abc.com. In this way, many distribution can be created and business can be done automatically through the network. And all these CRMs will be integrated with your platform in the top-down button. By default, it will show all. And if you just want to see, let me see how that franchisee is doing, from the drop down, you can just press one button and press refresh. Automatically, system will refresh and it will show you how many records that counselor has done. So immediately in this way, all that CRMs will be integrated and you can see each and everything, how they are doing it off. I hope it is clear. So in this way, all the platforms will be integrated. Lead management system is there. So broadly, these are the functionalities that's available in the platform. There'll be your web page. There'll be the 20 types of assessments that will be integrated. There'll be payment that will be integrated. If you want to integrate with your website, yes, you can integrate. If you want to use it as standalone, yes, it will be standalone. It will be white labeled. Library will be available. Suitability will be available. Your counselor CRM will be there. You can write your recommendations over there. Lead management system will be there. Training videos will be there. You can create a multiple sub CRMs. You can create, there'll be a student dashboard where student can access the colleges, other information. There's a one more very important point I forgot it. There's the last point on the student dashboard. As I had shown you the colleges, other stuff, and the milestone report, there is one very good functionality that's called the online courses. Now we have the online courses also available. Now once student takes a service from you, he can avail unlimited courses. Say for example, he want to learn the Excel. He can just click interested and start course. Immediately course will be started of the Excel. He want to learn graphical designing. He want to learn how to handle the stress. He want to learn how to score high marks in the maths. He can just click on the interested, start the course. So all these are the in-house created videos at no extra cost. So what will happen? Once he's going for the student dashboard, he can avail all these courses and certifications. He can do it off without any extra cost. All this will be available as a part of the student dashboard.
Hello everybody, welcome to
So
Career
let me
Lab.
stop.
Today we are going to talk about how to score high in maths. Before we do that, let's revisit a story from
So all these videos will be
a
available.
mathematics
I'm not able
teacher
to pause it.
questioned her
Okay.
class.
So these are the functionalities that I wanted to communicate. Fatima, hand over to you.